Hello guys, Paul White here from Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm at Thirlmere and I wanted to have a quick chat to you guys about electric locomotive 8646. It is the youngest, it is a baby of the museum pieces at Thirlmere. It had a run around about 15 years and the New South Wales government decided to end its usage in June 2002, and sadly we did not realise the full potential of this biggest locomotive. Let's see about here. There, that's as close as I'm going to get. That's a short vlog about 8646, because this beast was built by Locomotive, and I can't show you what it looks like inside because it's off limits, which is a shame. That didn't feel like its full potential. Back here, 8646. And there's a little more information about 8646. What about here? If you wanna pause it there and read it, should be okay. Anyway guys, time to wrap up the vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. I will see you next time. Until then, goodbye for now.